Hey guys, welcome to your science lesson with Miss Kristensen. Last week, you learned how to classify animals based on their physical characteristics. This week, you're going to learn about their basic needs. Your objective this week is, I can identify the basic needs of animals. Let's get started. Check out this watering hole. What do you see? I see a zebra, an ostrich, and an antelope. These are just some of the animals living in this habitat. Did you know that all of these animals have something in common? They all have basic needs to survive. Can you think of what those things might be? What do you need to survive? Use the sentence stem, I need blank to survive, to tell the adult with you what you're thinking. Every day, you eat meals, breathe air, drink water, and rest in your home. Just like you, all animals need food, air, water, and shelter to live. Let's learn more about each of these needs. All animals need food. Food gives animals energy to move and grow. Some animals eat plants. Some animals eat animals. Some animals eat both, and other animals eat insects. All living things, including animals, need air to breathe. Some animals get oxygen from the air around them. Other animals get oxygen from the water around them. Animals need water to survive. Some animals get water from rivers, streams, ponds, and lakes. Other animals get water from the foods that they eat. Pets drink water that their owners provide for them. Animals find shelter to keep them safe. Shelter provides protection from the wind and the cold, as well as other animals. Animals have different types of shelter. Some examples of shelter are a cave, a nest, a burrow, or a hole in the ground or a tree. This is a bird's nest. The nest is the bird's shelter. Did you know that a bird builds its own nest? Can you think of any other animals that build their own shelter? Tell the adult with you what you're thinking. Use the sentence stem. Another animal that builds its own shelter is... Let's take a look at some animals and the places they live and see if we can discover more about how their needs are met. Check out this koala bear in its habitat. What do you notice? What basic needs of the bear can you see? I see the koala bear eating plants in its habitat. Now let's look at some fish in their habitat. What do you notice? What basic needs of the fish can you see? I see the coral reef that the fish use as a shelter. This shelter also protects them from predators. Now let's look at this black bear in its habitat. What do you notice? What basic needs of the bear can you see? I notice lots of fresh air for the bear to breathe. Air is all around the bear. And last, let's check out some flamingos in their habitat. What do you notice? What basic needs of the flamingos can you see? I see lots of water for the flamingos to drink. Great job! Let's review. Animals have basic needs to stay alive. All animals have the same basic needs. Animals need food to eat, water to drink, and a shelter to keep them safe. All animals need air to breathe. Your learning objective this week was, I can identify the basic needs of animals. Can you list them right now? Use this sentence stem to share what you have learned. Animals need blank to survive. Scientists, your assignment this week is to illustrate an animal in its environment. You're going to label your animal and label all of your animal's basic needs. Have an adult help you upload your illustration to the Google Classroom assignment. I hope you have a great week of learning, and I can't wait to see what you discover as a scientist. Thanks for watching your weekly science lesson with Miss Kristensen. See you next time!